Good morning, dear students. Here we are with a new topic for the writing skill, that is poster making. I think you all have listened about what are posters. Posters we can just see at the market, in the market we can see, in any newspaper we can see for the publicity again. But there is a slight difference between advertisement and poster. Advertisement is just for the information, okay, that is, and poster making is for just you can say that is for the publicity of the product, but in a fashionable way, okay, in a you can just say no, whenever when there is the just there is a decoration in a documentary way, when we just publicity some item, that is called poster making, okay. And here is some important things, that is, what is a poster? Posters are placards displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. Poster are notices, advertisement, and invitation all in one. And my dear student, one more thing also, that you can just say advertisement, notice, advertisement, and invitation. These are the parts of poster making, okay. These three are the parts of poster making, okay. And here is purpose of poster, that I told you earlier also. The purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issue related to current problems. For example, drug addiction is just going to increase in your area, you can just make the poster for the drug, and you can just publicly you can just post them, okay. Or advertise, or even to extend public invitation and display notice. For example, there is going to be a fair in your school, that is, there is going to be a fair in your school. So how will you just how will you do the publicity of the same? You can just make many type of posters. You can just advertise by the posters, okay, in the school, in the campus, or in the colleges, in the market, whenever, in the shopping mall, okay, in many things. And here is drafting poster. There are some rules for drafting the poster. Poster should be colorful and attractive and tempting, that I told you earlier also, na. Decoration must be there. Advertisement is for the just giving the notification, giving the just whatever you wanna, or whatever you just gonna do for the others, okay. But what are posters? Posters are just to tempt the audience, just to attract the audience, okay, just to make them tempting, ki it's really going to be nice, the poster is so much nice, so how the things gonna be. They must be drafted carefully to attract the attention of the readers, excite their imagination, influence their mind. Mean to say, इतना दिमाग के ऊपर प्रभावशाली होना होना पोस्टर होता है कि अगर आप कोई पोस्टर देख लेते हो तो आपके मन में ये फीलिंग आ जानी चाहिए कि मुझे इस चीज़ के लिए जो है ये चीज़ यहाँ जाना है और मुझे ये चीज़ खरीदनी है. पोस्टर आर रीड फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस. डू नॉट गिव मैनी डिटेल्स इन अ पोस्टर. हाईलाइट ओनली इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यूज. Like in the advertisement, like in the notice, we were just giving the information like ki why, how, these type of, wait for like these type of things were there. But what we just have to do in the poster making, don't write so many things, okay. I'll show you the posters also, some of the important posters, okay. And here is main features of a poster. Which type of features are there in a poster? Like layout, okay, how the layout will be visually attractive, eye catching, mean to say colorful, should be soothing colors must be there. Title, suggestive, catchy. Use slogan, jingle, or short words, okay. You can say, for example, if you just have to make a poster on the girls education, or on the female feticide, beti bachao beti padhao, okay, these type of slogans you can write. Like if you wanna write in the English for the just health is wealth, okay, many type of things can be there. Sketch or simple drawings must be there. Don't we use very much critical drawings that the reader must not get it what was that, okay. Letters of different size and shape. Proportionate spacing, okay, spacing must be there, because posters always we just see the poster from a distance, okay. Posters never come in our hand, okay, like this. Contents, what must be the contents there? The theme or the subject of poster, description or detail associated with the theme, what's the theme in this poster, these type of things must be there. And essential details like time, date, venue for an event. If you are going to organize an event, or if you are just making the poster for the event, so which type of information must be there, like when that event is going to be, on which date, and the venue or where. Okay, where, name of issuing authority or organization, who is going to organize this function. For example, in our school, 13th March there was the function for the welcoming of Guruji in the inauguration of Swami Sadanandji Maharaj Stadium and archery ground and swimming pool. So what we do, firstly we just give the posters in the newspaper all over the society, and what we just decide, in the invitation also there was some things like time, date, venue, ki what's the time for that, what will be the date, and before that even we just describe the events also, what we are going to do in this function. Okay, and here is like expressions what you can use, phrases, slogans, persuasive language will be, must be very easy, creativity in terms of content and design, overall organization and sequencing of the matter. Okay, observe word limit must be there. If word limit is not there, so it is of no use. Okay, and here is the first type of poster, that first type of poster we will just do it today only. Okay, that is educational solved questions, and after this I will share with you the complete PDF, okay, of all the types. Okay, I'll just show you also. Design a poster for your school fete. You may use slogan, do not exceed 50 words, like fete is going to organized by which, by whom, like just see, fate is going to organized by St John School, Agra, in aid of earthquake victim. Why it is going to be, on which day and date, on 2nd March 2000, this, from what will be the time, what will be the time, that is 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. Okay, what will be the time and where, venue, a day of fun and frolic also, because there is, we are going to organize many things like fancy dress, gymnastic, merry-go-round is just like jula, like this. Okay, these type of things. Snack stall must be, will be there, gun contest will be there, electronic game, lucky draw will be there, come one come all. Okay, help a noble cause, entry by tickets. And I think you all got it, for which purpose this notice was going to be written. Okay, and now it is the next, wait a minute, just, this is the next notice for the educational only. Design a poster in not more than 50 words for your school library on the value of books. Okay, as we have also seen in the library many posters came there, like for the value of books, what is the value of books. Okay, like this only, for that books are our best friends. Okay, books inform, instruct, there is the just knowledge is given, like books inform, instruct, delight, enrich. Okay, what books do, you can just make your own headings also, read best, speak best, think best. Okay, like what a nice slogan they have used now, take a book a day, don't delay. This one is also slogan. Your school library has 10,000 books. When you are gloomy or lonely, your best friend is a book. Don't judge a book by its cover. Read it. Reading makes a ready man. How much good slogans they have used. And the same posters will be very usable for you in the class 12th also. Okay, and here is the next for the same only. As a manager of the excellent coaching center run by you, prepare a poster calling the attention of the students desirous of attending HTCPMT coaching to join your coaching center. Again, that is excellent coaching center, where it is, see where it is, announces what he is going to announce, commencement of fresh batch for what, for IIT, CPMT and other competitive exams, when the registration is going to begin here. And special features, what are the special features in this, special faculty, personal attention, periodic test and assessment, excellent study material, reasonable fees. Are 10 students topped in IIT, CPMT, CMPT, GMAT, limited seats, contact this on given this. Whenever this type of advertisement is there, you should write your on address also. Okay, my dear students. And here is, that is one of fourth, and here is for the fifth advertisement. Okay, and that is of 6. These were all about the type 1, and this is about the test your skills. Just try it in your rough notebooks, okay, and share with me the clicks also. Okay, my dear students, and these 5 posters must be done in the rough notebooks only. Okay, and about these 6 type 1, that is for the educational, you will all will do in your fair notebook, and I'll share with you the complete PDF, but don't write the complete, because day by day we will discuss one by one. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.